Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to unstake Shiba Inu from Shibaswap. It's quite easy to get this done. Depending on the exchange or wallet you're using, you could access the Shibaswap from there. So wherever you stake your tokens with, that's the wallet you use to stake your tokens, is the same wallet you're going to use to unstake them. So let's use Trust Wallet for this example. Make sure you have some Ethereum to cover gas fees. Now head over to the browser section at the bottom right. Once there, you're on the browser menu, head over to shibaswap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now once you've logged in, make sure you've connected your wallet to the site. You'll be prompted to do so. And once you're on shibaswap.com, scroll down to where we have the berry. Now click on stake tokens and simply click on berry ship, and now you're taken to where you can simply stake your Shiba Inu, or if you click on the unstake option, unstake the Shiba Inu. So now all you need to do is simply enter the amount you wish to unstake and simply click on approve. By doing this, you get to unstake your Shiba Inu from shibaswap.com. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.